Daddy Mamunika. Yeah, definitely. You can see around me, and I am so much delighted. Wow, so nice. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Okay, okay, so nice, right? Wow, wow, so nice. And the flowers around me. Yes, yellow. No. Pink flower. Okay, pink flower. It is so soft, delicate, so nice, right? So nice. Wow. Yes. Yes. This is the scenery over here, and yeah, I am so much privileged, and it's going to be so tough to grip. Yeah. This one is, yeah, white, and this one is pink and white, you can see. Okay, and sun rising. Okay, sun rising. And yeah, you can sense that. So nice. This one is purple, this one is purple, this one is purple and white. Okay, and yeah, we must thank you for our metropolitan management, who has uh, contributed a lot to decorate the beautiful, beautiful continental in hotel. Okay, yeah, there are a lot of flowers. Yeah, these flowers are, these flowers are mixture flowers, uh, pink, white. Okay, white and purple. Okay, purple. Can you see? Okay, there are a lot of varieties. Wow. Oh, wow, here is yellow. Wow, yellow flowers. You can see yellow flowers, pink flowers, and these purple flowers. Purple is one of the best, color of my marble. And of course, this red. Okay, this red is the excellent color of my dadu. And yeah, white, yeah, pink, yeah, there is white. Wow, so nice, right? So nice. And here is also white. Here is a different type of